Good morning, my dear friends from different states of my great country, Bharat. And we have also some good
Good
friends,
morning.
not only in India, but also in abroad. And every day, Monday to Friday, we have one platform where we discuss on particular topic. And the name of our show is Let's Talk in English with non-native English speakers. And sometimes I arrange a one-to-one conversation with my subscribers, with my friends. So today we have Gurbachan Singh from the border of India, and he is an English teacher and very interesting person. So let's have a conversation with Gurbachan Singh from Punjab. Yeah, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Very good morning.
Okay, so you told you in your email you are English teacher. Then how long have you been teaching as a teacher?
Sir, I have been teaching in that particular school since 2011.
Okay, so you have a lot of experience to teach.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, do you teach in a primary school or in a high school,
Now, sir, I teach in middle school.
middle school?
Yeah.
And may I know which subjects do you teach in your school?
Sir, you know that in middle school, a teacher can teach every subject. So that's why I am teaching all subjects like English, Hindi, Punjabi, math, all subjects.
So you are an all-rounder teacher. You know all subjects.
Yeah, sir. Yeah,
And I'm
sir.
very bad at maths. I don't know other subjects. I teach English and Sanskrit, both languages I teach in my school. I teach in a secondary school, high school,
Okay,
okay?
sir. Okay.
So do you enjoy teaching and do you like to spend time with students?
No, sir, I enjoy teaching because it's my profession and also my hobby to teach the students.
That's why I can see smile on your face. That's why you are happy, because you know people who like their profession, then they are always happy. Money
Yeah,
doesn't
sir.
matter
Yeah.
there. Okay, some
Yeah,
people
sir.
earn lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, but they don't enjoy their job, and you cannot see smile on their face.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir. Due to the lockdown, I am now at home, and I am not getting a single penny from school there because that school is private school, and the fees is not deposited to the students by the students in that school. So that's why the owner of that school not paying us a single penny. But after that, I am teaching the students by online, and I also help them to, if they have any problem, then anytime I ask them, you call me anytime and I will help you.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful dedication to your students, really. Okay, when I first time I heard you sent me message, and I realized that you are an energetic person. You have a positive attitude. You want to work hard. Wonderful. So I'm so happy to
Yeah.
talk with you today. It's my pleasure to talk with you today. Okay,
Sir,
so
I
it's
would
really
like to say
painful.
something
And
you.
one more thing, it's very painful. You are not getting money from your school. Okay, that is your profession. That's your bread and butter. And I can understand your problem. Yeah, yeah. What do you want to ask?
Yeah. Sir, I want to ask that you are a very great person. Your English is very good. I watched a lot of video on YouTube, but all the teachers, they have only their business. They use the fancy words while they speak, but
Hmm.
you use simple words. A beginner can easily understand your words. So I am very, very, very happy to hear you because you are a good teacher and you teach in a school, so you know how to teach a students, how you explain the students, they will able to understand everything. So
Yeah,
I am very
wonderful.
fascinated with
Yeah,
you.
wonderful question. Okay, my dear friend Gurbachan Singh, let me explain this
Yeah.
one. I am an English teacher, so I tell my all students, English is not
Yeah.
English is not a knowledge. Okay, English is not knowledge, it's a
Yeah.
subject, it's a language. So learn English as a
Yeah.
language, as a tool. And
Yeah.
if you have some ideas, if you have some
Yeah.
information you want to share with other person, you need a language. So this is one type of tool.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so how can we learn? Don't memorize anything. I never tell my students to write
Okay.
down 5 times and 10 times. I never tell them,
O-
but just I
Okay.
make them listen English. Then I give them chance to make presentations.
Okay.
I give them chance to speak a lot, whether it is right or wrong. But I appreciate those students.
O-
Yes, try it. Because in the beginning, all
o-
people make mistakes. We are
o-
teachers, but we all make mistakes. So accept the mistake. Okay, Punjabi is your mother
Yeah.
tongue, but if somebody tells you to write down
Yeah.
10 of one page in your Punjabi language, so can you make mistakes or not in writing also?
Yeah. Of course, sir.
So definitely while speaking, while writing, we can also make so many mistakes. So don't worry, it's a language, it's a communication tool. So if you make one or two mistakes, no problem. But with the person you are talking, he can understand your ideas or not. Can you communicate easily or not? So
Yeah.
that's enough. That's enough. Yes.
Yeah.
So people, my
Yeah.
students become very free. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
There is no burden of learning English. So they enjoy learning English. And I have uploaded so many videos of my students on YouTube.
Okay.
Have you seen?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sir. Every video I eagerly have seen your each and every video because I am very excited with your videos. Your language. I improve my English by listening you. You know that ever before I listened many YouTubers on YouTube, but they all use the tough language. A beginner can't understand their language.
Hmm.
So I think that English is only a language if we pass our ideas to each other, and a person whom, whom before we are talking, if he understand our language, that is enough for us. But why we use the tough language? Why
Yeah.
we show to others that I have great knowledge? So
Yeah.
that's why I am very interesting your English. You also use Indian accent because we are Indian. I am
Yeah.
proud my India. We live in a great country. So why we use the British language? Why we
Yeah.
use the American language? Why we not use our Indian language? Because we
Definitely.
Indian are very proudy. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I am proud of you too much, sir.
Thank
I
you.
like you too much.
Thank you.
You
Thank
know
you.
that today I am very excited.
I'm also
Today I am
excited.
very
I'm also
excited, very
excited to
happy.
talk with you. Okay. And
Yeah.
one more thing, India is a very huge country, and all states have different
Yeah.
languages. Their culture is different, attire, festivals,
Yeah.
everything is different. Okay, but now we can talk. You are from
Yeah.
Punjab, I'm from Gujarat.
Yeah.
I know Gujarati very well. You are from Punjab, so Punjabi is your mother tongue. But we can share our ideas, our
Yeah.
feelings, our experience as a teacher. So this is a link language. With the help of this English
Yeah.
language, we can share our idea.
Yeah.
That's why we have made so many friends from South India. South Indian people, many friends, they don't know Hindi language.
Wow.
But with the help of this English language,
Yeah.
we are becoming friends, and I have got so many new friends from
Yeah.
South India. So just we
Yeah.
should think this is a language,
Yeah.
not knowledge. Knowledge is a different thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, English is a journey, lifetime journey. It's not a destination. So it's
Yes.
not any destination.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Definitely. So you have a broad concept
So
about that
it
because
was an
yeah.
amazing experience to watch your videos.
Oh, thank you very much for watching my videos.
Sir,
Yeah,
you and I will be friend forever.
definitely it will be my pleasure to be a friend forever. Yeah, because you are
Yeah.
such a nice person, really.
If you got, if you get any chance to come in Punjab, sir, you definitely come to me.
Oh,
I
that
will
sounds
take
wonderful.
you around, all around.
Thanks a lot for offering me this one. Definitely, I will make a plan because Gurbachan saying this is my next plan to explore India. First,
Mhm.
this year I'm going to explore my Gujarat, my state, and from the next year I'm
Okay.
going to explore India.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, so any question for that? Any other questions?
I sir, I am fixed in what to do to improve my English because I want to polish my English. I want to just talk to my in front of my students, in before
Hmm.
my students. I want
Yeah.
to talk in before my students. So you suggest me, then how can I improve my English? Because I
Okay.
watch only your videos,
Thank you.
not there are many other YouTubers like, but they are doing only business. But I think that you are only person that help the others to improve their English.
Hmm.
So you can suggest me some things, some tools that we can use to improve my English.
Definitely, definitely. Okay. So, as we discussed earlier, English is a language. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
sir.
You know Punjabi and I don't know Punjabi. I know Gujarati, you don't know Gujarati. Why?
Yeah.
Can you give me answer? Then you will get your answer.
Sir, just because I used to use this language when I was kid.
So your environment was Punjabi and my environment was Gujarati.
Yeah,
Since our birth,
yeah,
we have been listening this language and we have been
yeah,
speaking this language. That's why we
yeah,
are very comfortable with our mother tongue. Okay. So say, how did we learn? Okay. Did your mother
yeah,
teach any grammar rules
yeah, yeah.
in your childhood before going to school?
N- n- No,
Did your
no,
mother teach
sir.
any vocabulary book
No,
of Punjabi?
no, sir. No, never.
But before going to school, you were able to speak your Punjabi language. How? How did you learn?
Sir, when my parents talk to each other, that time I was listen them carefully.
So how can we learn English language now?
Same like same like this method.
So this is a simple method. Okay, that's why in our platform also we have
Okay.
just I try to create the environment of English where we listen English from other and where we can speak English. So if we do this activity for a long time, our English will be different.
Yeah.
And same thing we can do in our
Okay,
school.
sir.
Same thing we can do in our school. Let's speak in
Yeah.
English lecture, in English period. Let's speak in English, whether it is right or wrong. You can also show them some videos. Okay, then you can ask them, okay, what did you listen from this video? Just say one word, one sentence, two sentence. So in the start with the words, then sentence,
Okay.
then you can say summarize this whole topic. What did you watch from that video? So
Okay.
listening and
Sir,
speaking, listening and
can I
speaking.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Sir, I can put a question from you.
yeah.
I feel much better when I listen you, but some when I not listen you, I feel disappoint. Why happen this to me?
Okay, actually, this is a a connection with us. I think we have a same thinking. That's why
Okay.
same mentality. You are teacher. I am a teacher. I want to teach. I love teaching. You are a teacher. You love teaching. So we have same interest. That's why you like to listen to me,
Okay.
and that's why I'm enjoying to talk with you now.
Okay. Okay. That is the reason. If there is no lockdown, sir, I definitely come to you
Oh,
and join
most
you
welcome.
daily.
Most welcome. Yeah. So Okay,
So
what
this
now
is
I
very
want to ask
amazing
you.
experience share.
Yeah, sorry, I could not hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, okay. What was your question?
Now now yeah. I have level 1 consciousness. Monkeys have level 2 consciousness. Human
I cannot
beings
hear you
have
properly.
level 3 consciousness. So we is some network problem maybe. Sir,
Hmm.
I put a question. All animals have level 2 consciousness. Monkeys have level 2 consciousness, but human beings have level 3 consciousness. So we can speak any language. Is it true or false?
It is true, definitely true. We can speak any language of the world. Hmm.
Okay, okay. So, sir, you have a very. I know that every teacher have expensive time, costly time,
Hmm.
and you created a platform for us to speak on that platform. So I consider that you are a great person. Without any single penny, you are helping the people to make them improvement their English. So I lot of thanks to you. You are a very great person, sir.
Thank you.
I never ever seen that kind of person.
Okay, thank you. And I want to give you reason. Okay, if people do anything with
Okay.
expectations, then they are inviting
Yeah.
stress.
Yeah. Yeah.
If there is an expectation and if your expectation never fulfilled, then there is a stress. Okay. And
Yeah.
if you do
Yeah.
anything without any expectation, then you have happiness in
Yeah.
your life. So you can
Yeah.
see happiness on my life at 10 o'clock at night. Also, you can see happiness because our religion teaches us do some
Yeah.
work without any expectations. And that's why you know
Yeah.
that I
Yeah.
never share any time in my channel. Also, share my channel, subscribe my channel,
Yeah.
like this one. No, no.
Yeah.
If you the God has given you a
Yeah.
sense, mind. If you like that,
Yeah.
if you want to share, if you want to subscribe, it is in you have given a mind. God has given you
Yeah.
a mind.
And also, sir, you are doing. Yeah. You are doing the service of God. God not want to particular service to
Hmm.
him. You
Yeah,
are if you help the needy people, that means you are helping the God. You are service the God because God lives around us. So
okay.
God is our inner.
Hmm.
So you are great person. You helping
Yeah,
our needy people because I am only hand to mouth people. I have no enough money, so I am
yeah.
not able to pay the fees of higher fees of to learn English.
Hmm.
So if you type people help us, then we feel that you are servicing of God.
Yeah. Thank you. And we have last 3 minutes left in our conversation,
Okay.
Gurbachan Singh. And I
Okay.
after that, I have one more conversation at 10 o'clock. So I want to say,
Okay.
in 2006,
Okay.
I did not have enough money. Though I had a government job, I did not have money, and I wanted to learn many things, but I didn't have money in my
Okay.
pocket.
Okay.
So 1 year I worked very hard and I saved money. Then I went to Ahmedabad to
Okay.
learn English language only for 21 days. And I spent 20,000 rupees in
Okay.
2008. How much money?
Okay. Okay.
20,000 rupees to learn English only
Yeah.
for 21 days because it was my passion to
Okay.
learn.
Okay.
And after getting government job
Okay.
also, I spent a lot of money to learn English language. And then I realized
Okay.
many
Okay.
people want to learn but they don't have money, so why shouldn't I
Yeah.
provide them platform to practice their English without
Yeah.
paying any money? That's why
Yeah.
I'm doing this one.
So Okay, thank you, sir. You are
So
doing great service. You are doing great
thank you.
service.
Okay, so really personally, I enjoyed a lot Gurbachan Singh with you, and it was our
Thank you,
nice
sir.
conversation. And see you again next time with a new ideas, with a new
Thank,
concept. Okay,
thank
so
you, sir.
have a nice
Thank you,
day.
sir.
See you next time. Bye.
Thank, thank you, sir. Very nice to meet you, sir. Thank you.
Me
See you again.